Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we will be going through adding attachments to cards and going through some power-ups. Let's get into it. Open up any card and under the Add to Card menu, you will see attachments. Click Attachment. You can select any of these options including Computer, Trello, Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive. You can also paste attachments with links. I will copy a link from one of my previous videos. And just like that, it adds the link as an attachment so all users can see it. You can also click Computer. I prefer to drag and drop directly from a folder, like shown here. Same principles are used when using any of the other options. Just drag and drop from whatever feature you use and prefer. Next, let's go over some power-ups. Click the button on the top right of your screen to show menu. Scroll down to where it says Power-Ups. When you click Power Up, you will be brought to the home screen for all the power-ups on Trello. On this video, we will add the most popular power-up on Trello, which is their calendar. Go up to the search menu on the left of the screen. Type in Calendar. This one here is made by Trello, and it has a lot of cool features. Once you add a power-up, it will be shown beside Butler on the top right, as shown here. Click the Calendar Power-Up button. Here you will be brought to the calendar view as shown with tiles. You can change the view to weekly if you have a long list of items due in that specific week. It will also be much easier to read. I actually prefer to use a Trello mobile app calendar more than the calendar that is provided with your mobile device. I find it much easier to manage. Next, let's go back to our board page under our Create Mobile App card from a previous video. Click Due Date. Here you can change this to any date you want. Let's click 2 days from now. Under this you can set reminders specified from minutes to days from now. Let's select 5 minutes from now. Change your time accordingly. Go back to your board screen and click the Calendar Power-Up again. You can see this card has been created in the Calendar Power-Up. This is a great way to visualize upcoming workloads and if you need to make adjustments. Next, we will briefly go over the mobile app and using our boards with our phones and tablets. We will go over the same thing we did in this video, but with our phones to see why this is such a powerful program. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.